Hey, sweetie.
Hey.
Hey, how'd your science experiment presentation go at school today?
Horrible. I don't want to talk about it.
Horrible? What happened?
I said I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. Hey, wait a minute. It didn't have anything to do with those sirens I heard earlier today, did it?
I said I don't want to talk about it.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Day Inner channel and another Cherry Bomb muffler comparison video. I'm actually pretty excited about this video because it's pitting my two favorite Cherry Bomb mufflers on my '99 Silverado, the Cherry Bomb M-80 and the Cherry Bomb Vortex. Now, initially I claimed the Vortex to be my favorite Cherry Bomb muffler in their entire lineup on my Silverado. It's got a really good sound that I really liked until the M80 came along and I changed my mind and I switched it to the M80. So let's take a real quick look at the design of these two mufflers. They actually are pretty different, but they do offer kind of similar sounds. I guess that's why I like them so much. So anyway, looking at the M80, it is a single chamber wing plate design. It's got a 5-inch round body. Of course, they do offer varying sizes of inlet and outlet diameters for whatever application you may have. It's 100% aluminized steel. It is directional, so you have to put it on a certain way. It is a small compact design, so you can get pretty creative with the installation of it, and it's an all welded construction. Now, taking a look at the Vortex, it's kind of chambered and it's kind of straight through. So looking at it, it's got a patented flow divider design. It also has high temp fiberglass packing, which makes it completely different than the chamber design of the M80. It is a reversible flow, so it doesn't matter which direction you put it onto your exhaust. It is a more standard body size, so it's kind of larger. So you don't have quite the flexibility as to where you're going to put that in your exhaust system. Typically, it's going to be where the old muffler was. And it also is a 100% welded design. So I did some research on Cherry Bomb's website to see if I can find like the CFM rates and the decibel rates. For some reason, they don't have the M80 listed on their website, but they do have the Vortex. The Vortex was rated at 87 decibels at 2,000 RPM. And as kind of a side note, I noticed on the website, they say that the Vortex does not have cruising drone, which I don't necessarily agree with that, because having it on my truck, there was definitely some drone between like 1,800 to 2,000 RPM. So I'm not sure how they're claiming the Vortex doesn't have cruising drone, because it is noticeable in my truck. So anyway, moving on, it also has 578 CFM. So now I'm going to have to guess the M80's figures as far as decibels and flow rates. If you look at the extreme, it's listed at 89, and the glass pack is listed at 85. So I'm going to assume that the M80 is somewhere between 88 and 90 decibels at 2,000 RPM. If I remember correctly, I believe the M80 and the Vortex were pretty similar on interior drone noise. And looking at the CFM, extreme is listed at 500. The glass pack was listed at 510. So I'm assuming that the M80 is probably somewhere between 500 and 510 CFM. So anyway, that's a look at the details of the mufflers. Let's take a look for ourselves how they actually sound in a real life scenario on my truck. So you be the judge. You tell me in the comments below, which one do you think sounds best, the M80 or the Vortex? I do recommend some good quality headphones. Enjoy the video. there you have it. There is some real world testing on my 99 Silverado of the Cherry Bomb M80 and the Cherry Bomb Vortex. Let me know in the comment section below which muffler do you think sounds the best. Again, I touted both of these Cherry Bombs, the Vortex and the M80, as my favorites on the truck, and I still am leaning towards the M80 being my all-time favorite Cherry Bomb muffler for my 99 Silverado. Alright, so before you guys click off this video, I want to give you one last sound test of the M80 and the Vortex on my 99 Silverado, but this time with gutted cats. So these mufflers are going to sound much louder without the catalytic converters on it. The M80 without the catalytic converters is my all-time favorite sound for this truck. So here are a few clips of the M80 and the Vortex on my Silverado with no catalytic converters. Boy, I tell you what, you can't go wrong with either one of those. I think they both sound really good. Depending on your application, you may want to lean towards the M80 because it is more compact. So that offers you a little bit more flexibility of getting a muffler in a specific spot or a tight spot on whatever project car you're working on. All right, well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my channel. I've got hundreds of videos. Something on here is bound to tickle your fancy. And if it earns your subscription, I'd greatly appreciate you hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure to hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.